People versus Karen Jones. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, improper plates. Count three, driver on license not valid or improper license. P10576061, supplying false information and or ID to a police officer. Appearance?
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name again, ma'am? Miss Jones?
Ms. Jones, I need you to unmute this video.
I'm sorry.
Can
Just
you
need
say
to
your name
repeat.
for the record?
I can barely hear you. What did you say?
Can you state your name?
Oh, Karen Jones.
Is it correct you're going to take the plea?
I'm sorry, Judge. I can't hear you.
I know it's bad connection. Are you going to take the offer as we discussed to plead guilty to one
Yes,
count
ma'am.
of supplying false information?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And at the end of 3 months, it'll be dismissed from your record as long as you don't do the same thing again, okay?
Okay, I won't.
Okay. Did you, I need to swear you in. Can you raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner about your rights today?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to January 16th, 2020, around 5:10 p.m. in the area of Freeland and Thatcher in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you operating a 2004 BMW?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you encounter a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And did you provide some form of false information and or ID to that police officer?
Yes.
I didn't hear you.
Yes.
Okay. Satisfied, counsel? Oh, I have you muted. I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Typically, probable cause on the other three and satisfied with the.
Okay. Ms. Jones, I'm going to waive your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything today, okay?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You do have to take care of reinstatement fees. That's through the Secretary of State. You can pay that online through the court's website, 36th District Court's website. But as far as paying for the matter you just pled guilty is zero balance, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. So I can do
You're welcome.
I have to wait.
I can barely hear you.
Do I have to wait the 3 months, or I can go ahead and do my reinstatement?
You know what? You're right. I'll make it a 1-day delay sentence so you can move forward with getting your.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you so much. So I can try to do that, make appointment for tomorrow or make it for next week.
You can do it in the next couple hours. It'll be updating the system. And you can pay online if you don't want to go physically into Secretary of State. You can pay your reinstatement fees online.
Great. And is it still 125 or?
No, it's $45 a count. That would be a driver responsibility fee. Those you don't have to pay anymore.
Okay. So how many counts do I have?
You had 4.
So 45 times 4.
You may not have them. I'm not sure. You just check online and see.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good rest
All right.
of your day.
All right. You do the same. You guys be safe.
Thank you.
This is very difficult. I know it makes for a long day. Thank you so much for your patience.
We're going to make it.
Okay.
Bye. Wait, Paul, I can't hear you.
There is the type of reinstatement fee that is $125. Like when it's suspended for drunk driving. And there's some other ones that you got to pay $125 on. So maybe she had one in the past on that.
Okay. So let's put Mr. Fairley into a breakout room.
Fairly?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get his file over here.
Here. It's a failure to display and dismiss the remaining counts.
Okay.
So he has 3 total counts, plead to the failure to display, and the no insurance and prohibited left turn will be dismissed.
Okay.
Mr. Fairley, I'm putting you to a breakout room so you can speak to your attorney in private, okay?
Okay.
We'll be right there, Mr. Fairley. Judge?
Yes.
Okay, he accepts the offer.
Okay. Calling case P1060259, failure to display a valid operator's license, P1059435, count 1, prohibited left turn, count 2, no proof of insurance, is the People versus Marcus Fairley. Appearance?
Paul
Yeah.
Faulkner, representative defendant. Your name again, sir?
Marcus Fairley.
Your Honor, my client will be guilty to failure to display, with the other 3 to be dismissed. Or the other 2. Is that what you want to do?
Oh, yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand?
The other right hand.
The other one? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Faulkner, about your rights today?
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Good.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
I'd like to bring your attention to January 28th, 2020, around 3:15 p.m. in the area of Gratiot and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit, Were you operating a 2017 Chevy gray vehicle?
Yes.
Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operating license?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Stipulate the probable cause to dismiss the other two.
Okay, and Mr. Fairley, I am waiving fines and costs, so you have $0 to pay to the court, okay?
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, be safe out there.
All right. You too.
Good
Thanks.
luck.
Have a good one. Okay, Mr. Jackson.
Yes.
Okay, you are the last man standing.
Wow, okay.
To a breakout room to speak to Mr. Faulkner about your matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm trying to find a spelling out. It's Jackson?
Yes.
LB Jackson. It's for failure to display with the unregistered count to be dismissed.
Okay. Okay. Let me get back on the